Hi, this is Theron Taylor. This is the Mech140. This is the midterm, the second part. For the second part, we had the RGB LED, the push button, and the TMP sensor. Again, the point of the midterm was just to get the LED to change different colors during the different temperatures that the TMP had seen. Over here, just going through my wiring, I have ground and 5 volts. My A0, or the analog end, will go to the TMP sensor. That's the middle leg. The 2 outside legs are now going to positive and negative for my push button. As you can see on this side, I have that going to positive. So that's the power. And then I'm on the other side, those two, the wire and the resistor. The resistor is going to ground. The wire is now going to 2. That'll be one of my inputs on the for the digital. Then I'm coming over here for my RGB LED. You see 3 resistors. Those are on the R, the G, and the B lead. The one in the middle, that will go to ground. So that's how we have that light on now. So again, this don't mind that. I actually use that to prop up the Arduino. Is just, for some reason, something was catching short, so I had to prop it up to get it off. And now everything's working properly. My 2 things I'll be using: hot tea, it's early, and then I also have deer bologna that's been freezing for a while. Just going over to my code. We have just a quick glance. We have the pins are being called out, outputs and inputs. Going down, we have the button state, which is equals to the digital read. We have the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit that was provided for us. I then have an if, else statement. Then I have the button state, which is equal to high. So that means when the button is pressed, you will be able to see the temperature on the serial monitor. If not, you will not be able to see anything on there. All right, so I'm going down. Let me upload and bring up the serial monitor. We'll make it big so we can see it all. So right now, you see nothing on the screen because nothing is pressed. Once I press, you see now the temperature is 72, 73. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do, we'll take it down cold. I'll take this deer bologna that's been in the freezer forever. I probably should eat this soon. And place it on the TMP sensor. Again, nothing is being shown right now because the push button is not pushed. LED is yellow at the current moment because it is within the 50 and 80 degrees. Push this push button to see where we are. So we're close to 50. Oh, there you see it's blue. When I push the push button, let me see if I can turn this. There we go. Oh, so we kind of creep back up. Hold on. All right, we're going back and forth. Let's see if I can get it solid. There you go. So, trying to do all this at once. We're at 47. And it's blue. I have my finger on the push button. I'm going to release that now. Go back over here. I'm going to hit the push button a couple times just to show you that we're rising back up. So, yep, 56. And you can see that it is yellow again. Right now, the push button isn't being pushed, so you're just seeing the old stamps going up. So now we'll check it to see where we are. We are at 62, get closer, 62, 63. So now I'm gonna actually make this hot. It's early, and the best way for me that I did it was drinking tea, hot tea, and actually just breathing on it. Just don't tell anyone I did that. I don't want to be known as the hot breath guy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink this tea. Coming down, I'm actually gonna just breathe over the TMP sensor. Hold on. checking where we're at 78. Let me try it one more time. I'm gonna keep this on the LED. So I'm sure you can see it's red. And as I go over, geez, it's so big. You can see it's at 82, 81. It's kind of declining back down there. I'll do it one more time just so you can see that it's bright red. Yep. And there you go. So that completes the midterm, the second assignment. Thank you.